How do I verify my age on TikTok? So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our TikTok app. And then once we open our TikTok app, the next thing that we need to do right here is to open our profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you click that, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go into the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. Once you click that, just click settings and privacy, which is right here. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do, just go here on in the account. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on account information. After that, just click on a date of birth right there. And then after that, what we're going to do is to click on a date of birth, which is right here. And then you will now be able to see this birth date right here. So all you have to do to confirm that is to click the birth date right there. But as you can see, I am unable to edit my birth date. So if it works for you, all you have to do is to verify your age by submitting an ID or facial age estimation. After that, TikTok will get back to you to let you know whether your age have been verified or not. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how do I verify my age on TikTok.